CostMiner is a construction estimating application with quantity takeoff capabilities. It is 100% online and can be used on any computer connected to the internet and running one of the supported browsers. In this video, we are going to estimate a simple project in CostMiner. To add a new job, we need to press the New button. First, I enter the job details, which may include the customer, project name, and site address. In this video, we are not going to use any job templates or markups, so I just click Create to add the new job. You can access reports, edit options, and status for the created job from this menu. To start estimating the project, I am clicking on the name of the new job. This is the Estimate section. All commands for the estimate are available here. Let's enter the headings and items. This estimate has a simple structure, but it is possible to have as many levels of headings as required. To add a heading, I click here and then click Heading. Once we have our estimate skeleton defined, we can start quantifying individual items under each heading. I can enter quantities manually or use the on-screen takeoff. To do a takeoff, we need to upload drawings. The system shows a preview of the pages from the PDF we selected. You can also import AutoCAD DWGs and regular images. I press Add to load the drawing into my job. Now my plans are available for takeoff. Before continuing, I want to switch to a different view that has more room for takeoff and does not show columns that we do not need at this stage. There are several predefined views. You can modify them or create your own. Now I need to scale the drawing. So I pick a segment of a length shown on the floor plan and trace it. Then I enter the segment length. Let's pick the first item and start taking it off. For the ceiling, we need to measure the area. I will trace the room perimeter by clicking its corners one by one. I'm using the mouse wheel to zoom in and out as I draw. To move the drawing, I click and drag it without releasing the mouse button. As you can see, the system snaps to the line ends as I move the mouse pointer. The little yellow square shows where the new point will be placed. For that feature to be available, you need to use vector drawings, such as vector PDFs or DWGs. To finish drawing the shape, I press Enter. Now I'm going to take off the area of the walls. But this time, I'm not going to trace the room from scratch. Instead, I'll reuse the outline we drew earlier. This is done by simply dragging the measurement to the desired cell. I'm entering the ceiling height to calculate the painted area. Now I want to subtract the area of the openings from the vertical area. I'm tracing the doors, windows, and other gaps and entering their height. I set this cell as a minus for all deductions. To measure the floor area, I am once again reusing the room perimeter. I click here to convert the measurement from a line to an area value to give me the square meters for the floor space. To subtract the kitchen bench area, I trace it and set this value to a minus. I am now measuring the timber for the bedrooms. Let's copy the perimeter to the skirtings item. I reuse all the openings, except the windows that does not affect the total length. Let's price the items. For that activity, I switch to the pricing view, which hides the takeoff and displays all cost-related columns. I'm entering the rates, and the application calculates the line, heading, and job totals. I can also enter markup. Now my job price is different from the cost. Now we have our estimate ready. Let's generate a quote for the job. The system can automatically calculate sales tax. We can also export the quote to Excel or PDF. CostMiner also connects to Xero and QuickBooks so that you can easily send your quote to your accounting package. To find out more about CostMiner, please go to our website at CostMiner.com. Also, please subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything CostMiner.